Team Jesus, Team Jesus, Team Jesus. Team Jesus don't need no fancy uniforms. Burkas and turbans aren't really our style. You have to wear a white robe in heaven. We think it's a trade-off you'll find worthwhile.
I do.
Now you might be saying, I don't need no Christians. I got my own team and we've had success. It's tough to be a winner when you're burning in hell. Team Jesus is putting on a full court press. Team Jesus, Team Jesus, Team Jesus. You might be a Muslim who's just worn out from all the jihads. Or maybe you're Hindu and you just can't keep track of all of your gods. Come play for Team Jesus, there ain't no tryouts for our squad. All you gotta do is let Jesus know how much you love him. We're gonna show you how. We say, who loves Jesus more than anyone does? You say,
I love Jesus more than anyone does.
we say, who loves Jesus more than anyone does? You say,
I